Look. This man is a rare craftsman genius. Rusty spring parts can be turned into treasures by his hands. Sell at sky-high prices. The production process is thrilling. The moment they see the finished product, everyone exclaims that it is incredible. It is a feast for the eyes. The young man first cuts off a section of the spring with a tool, then uses pliers to break it off. Put it on the refractory stone. Use a blowtorch to burn it continuously. Burn it until it is red hot. Remove it with a clamp. Put it on the iron needle. Hold the hammer and repeatedly hit it to shape it. Forge it. Forge it while burning. Continuously operate it back and forth until it is hammered into a thin sheet. Randomly remove it and fix it on the bench vise. Use a grinder to carefully grind it from both sides. Grind the edges to make them thinner. After removing it, apply a coating on the surface. Apply glue. Paste and press the pre-drawn and cut drawings. Fix them on the surface. The craftsman picks up a wire saw. Starts precise processing along the edge of the drawing. Saws out the corresponding shape. Drills a round hole in the middle with an electric drill. Puts it on a grinder and grinds both sides to be extremely sharp. Takes it off and places it on a refractory stone. Burns it again with a high fire. Burns it until it is red hot. Puts it in a mysterious liquid to cool it down. Fixes it. Cuts it into 2 sections along the mark with a grinder. Puts it on a sandbag machine and grinds it until it is round and smooth. The craftsman takes a few old gold rings, puts them in a quartz dry pot. Sprinkles borax. Uses a spray gun to burn continuously with a high fire. After burning into liquid, pours it into a mold to cool and shape. Takes out the solidified stems. Puts them in a tablet press. Crushes them back and forth repeatedly. Worker. Press it into a thick sheet. Paste the pre-drawn and cut drawings on the surface. Then use a wire saw to carefully cut along the edges of the drawings. Saw all the corresponding shapes. See here. Can you guess what the craftsman is going to make with the gold ring? You can leave a message in the comment area. You can also send a barrage to see if your guess is correct. The craftsman uses gold accessories. Forged and processed several shapes of different sizes. Take out a spring. Put it in the accessories. See if it fits. Stack the remaining accessories together. Put it on the refractory stone. Use a blowtorch to burn it fully. Weld it into a hole. Handheld plate rub. Repeatedly polish and process. Clear all the rust on the surface, then stack several accessories together. Use a marker to draw lines on the surface. Then perform some drilling processing. Detailed carving and engraving. Then it is welded and fixed. Weld the accessories together. Weld a ring on the top. After removing the accessories, grind the whole body. Polish it all over. Put it on a wool grinder. Detailed polishing processing. The last step is installation and adjustment. Fix all the accessories together. So far, a knife pendant made of gold is done. How is it? Is it amazing? Is it shocking? Not only is it precious and luxurious, but it is also made of gold. It also has multiple functions. It is really beautiful. What do you think of the craftsmanship of the craftsman? If you were asked to name a price for this pendant, how much do you think it is worth?